Now that we have created a dataset and also a table based on this dataset, now let's go and add a new dataset. Now we have a dataset 1 with categories. I will add a new dataset. Add dataset. Use the dataset embedded in my reports. I will use the data source 1. And the same way as we have created the SQL for the categories, we will create the SQL for example, products. Select all from products. And we need to put the square brackets at the beginning and also at the end, and also put a $sign at the end. Products. Okay, let's go to the query designer and test it. And as we can see, it works. Click OK. OK. And now we have a dataset 1 and a dataset 2. Now let's go and insert a table. For example, here. And let's drag the product's ID, product name, and for example, a unit price. I will change the header of this table. For example, blue, font white, and let's make it bold. Product name, unit price, and also I will change the unit price text box properties number to the number, 2 decimal places, and use the 1000 separator. Okay. Now let's test it. Let's run it here. Here is our categories and here are our products. Let's click on the print layout. And as you can see, we have our Excel Paginated Reports created with 2 datasets.